Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS in VirtualBox on a Windows 10 operating system. First, we need to download the Ubuntu 20.04. Go to ubuntu.com and click on download and just click on Ubuntu desktop. It will download the Ubuntu 20.04 for you. I have already downloaded the software, so I am going to cancel this download. And after downloading the ubuntu.iso file, you have to download the VirtualBox. Go to virtualbox.org. From the left side menu, click on downloads and select the Windows host. It will download the VirtualBox for you. Once the VirtualBox is downloaded, install the VirtualBox. Here I am going through the VirtualBox installation fast. It's pretty easy. Once the VirtualBox is installed, click on finish. The user interface of VirtualBox will look like this. To install Ubuntu on a VirtualBox, you have to click on this new button and you need to give the name. I am typing Ubuntu 20.04. Once you type the Ubuntu, it will automatically select the type and the version. If you don't get the type and version automatically, you have to select it manually. Coming to the version, Ubuntu 20.04 only comes in a 64-bit version. So select the version as Ubuntu 64-bit and after that click on next. You need to allocate the RAM for your virtual machine. I am going to give 4 GB of RAM. You can select 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB, but I always prefer having 4 GB of RAM for my virtual machine. And after that click on next. Here, coming to hard disk, don't make any changes. Go with the default option, create a virtual hard disk now. Click on create. And coming to the hard disk file type, go with the default one, that is VDI. Click on next. And coming to storage on the physical hard disk, select dynamically allocated. Click on next. And you need to create a virtual hard disk. If you want, you can leave the 10 GB, but I am going to allocate 20 GB. Click on create. It will come back to the VirtualBox homepage. On the left side, you can see the Ubuntu virtual machine, and on the right side, it will give the details of your virtual machine. Don't click on start. You need to make few changes. Click on settings. Under general, click on advanced, and you need to enable bidirectional for shared clipboard and drag and drop. Click on shared clipboard and select bidirectional. Click on drag and drop and select bidirectional. Once you do this, you can easily copy paste from the host machine to the guest machine, and you can drag and drop from host to guest. And after making these changes, click on system, click on processor tab. I'm going to allocate 2 CPUs, and after that click on display, select the video memory. I'm going to allocate the maximum video memory, and after that you have to enable this option, enable 3D acceleration. After enabling the 3D acceleration, click on storage. Under controller, click on this CD icon. To the right side, you have to click on this CD icon and you need to select the ISO file. Click on choose a disk file and go to the location where you have downloaded this file and click on open. Under controller ID, you can see the Ubuntu 20.04 desktop version. After that, click on OK. Now simply click on start and you will be given an option to select the virtual disk. Here you can see that it has already selected the virtual disk. So click on start. Close these notifications. Now you will be given an option to try Ubuntu and install Ubuntu. Click on install Ubuntu and you need to select the keyboard layout and the language. I am going to select English US. Click on continue and don't make any changes to updates and other software. Select the normal installation and select this option download updates while installing Ubuntu, and after that click on continue. And coming to the installation type, select this option erase disk and install Ubuntu. Under that you can see the warning, this will delete all your programs, documents, photos, musics and any other files in all operating system. Since we are installing Ubuntu on the virtual machine, it will not affect your Windows 10 operating system, so there is no harm in selecting this option erase disk and install Ubuntu. And after that click on install now. Click on continue and you need to select your region. Since I am from India, it has automatically selected Kolkata, and after that click on continue and you need to give the name. Once you give your name, it will automatically select the computer name also. I am going to remove VirtualBox from the computer name also, and after that you need to set the password, and after choosing the password click on continue Now it is trying to install Ubuntu on the virtual machine. This process may take some time, so I'm going to pause this video and I will get back to you once the installation is done. Okay guys, once the installation is done, you will get this message: installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. Click on restart now button. You will get a message: please remove the installation medium, and then press enter. Simply hit enter. Here is the login screen. Enter the password which you have set previously and hit enter. And here is the Ubuntu 20.04. Click on skip, next, click on done. Once I try to maximize this window, here you can see that it is not getting maximized. You can see the white background. If you want to use the Ubuntu in full screen mode, what you need to do is, on the virtual machine, click on devices and click on insert guest addition CD image. Click on run, enter your password, click on authenticate. After that, you need to hit enter to close this window. To apply the changes, you need to turn off your virtual machine. Click on file, click on close, click on power off this machine. Now restart again, click on start button. Now let's try to resize the Ubuntu desktop. Here you can see that it is resizing automatically, that you can resize the window to any. So that's it guys. In this way you can install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS in VirtualBox on a Windows 10 operating system. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.